I'm hunched over right now, so I'll feel it after this interview's over. Well, if I've learned anything about myself over the past 8 months in quarantine, it's that I have terrible posture when I'm sitting at my desk or even just walking around. And our bodyworks expert is David. David, thank you for joining us.
Hey Matt, thanks for having me.
So we're sitting at our desk more often than ever. The first tip to getting better posture can be as simple as just finding a door frame at home.
Right, you can actually just lean towards the open door, have both arms out to the side in a 90-degree angle. Just put a little bit of pressure, you're gonna feel the pull in the chest. We as humans, we're meant to bend forward. Think about what you're doing all day at the computer. We're all hunched forward. Therefore, your mid-back hurts, but a lot of it's coming from the front of the body.
And how long would you say you have to do that?
I'm a big fan of holding a stretch for 90 seconds. I know that seems like a long time, but think about how long do you sit at your desk and just make it a habit, and it'll become easier and easier.
So maybe you don't have a smartwatch at home that you use regularly to remind you to stand up, to move around a little bit. You say it can be just as simple as finding a kitchen timer along with setting some reminders up.
I would say once an hour, get up just to keep your body moving. Check the mail, do something like that, break it up. I've had some clients that actually bought one of those cooking timers, turn it on. I would say at least get up once every hour.
Our bodyworks expert and QC morning superfan. Thanks for joining us, David.